Okay, we're completing the square. First thing we have to do is identify our variables. So, in this case, a is 1, because anything times 1 is itself, and it's just x squared. So, the only number that can be in front of the x squared is 1. Our b value is 30, because it's in front of the x that is not squared. We need to find the c value, and we need to find what this value is going to be as well. So, if we have b, and it is 30, our c value in this little formula over here is b over 2 squared. So, we put the b in, we have 30 divided by 2 squared. So you have 15 squared, which is 225. So, our c value is 225. Now, the value right after the x is just b divided by 2. So it would be the 30 divided by 2, making it 15. And that's it. That's how we got this number and this number. Let's do number 1. We have x squared plus 100x plus blank equals x plus blank squared. So let's identify our variables. Our a right here is 1. Our b right here is 100. So what goes right here is b divided by 2 squared. So it'd be 100 divided by 2, which is 50, squared, which is 2,500. So what goes right here in this spot is 2,500. What goes right here is just b divided by 2. So it's 100 divided by 2, which we already said is 50. So 50 goes right here. Number 1 is done. Number 2, let's take it a little more slowly, but same concept. So our formula is a x squared plus bx plus c. And instead of c, I'm just going to write the formula, which is b over 2 squared, equaling x plus half of b squared. Easy enough. So if we go ahead and fill in the blanks, we have a b value of 200. And so to find the value that goes in this spot, we have 200 divided by 2, which is 100, squared. 100 squared is 1,000. I'm sorry, 10,000. I'm silly. 10,000. Okay. And so then what goes in this spot is just going to be half of b. So 200 divided by 2 is just 100. 100 goes in this spot. We're all done. And I'll just make sure to put 10,000 right here. Okay. I hope that was good. Let's do it again. So our formula, once again, is a x squared plus bx plus c, or instead of c, it's b over 2 squared equals x plus b over 2, which is half of b. So all we need to know to fill in these two blanks is b. Our b value is 6,000. Now, I did not come up with that number, Jason did, so blame him. 6,000 divided by 2 is 3,000. And since b divided by 2 goes in this spot right here, we just fill this in with 3,000. We square that 3,000, we get a really big number, and that number is 9 million. So 9 million goes right in here. Easy enough. Although, one more 0 in there. Okay, we have 9 million. Last two problems. I'm still going to write out the formula because you have to memorize this. Put it on your shower mirror or whatever. So our formula is ax squared plus bx plus b divided by 2 squared equals plus b over 2 squared. So in this case, our b value is 30. And all we have to know in order to fill in these two blanks is b. So if this value is b divided by 2 squared, we have 30 divided by 2 squared. So that is 15 squared. 15 goes right in here. 225 goes right in here, because that is what 15 squared is. Okay, we only have one more. Let's get through it. Our formula is ax squared plus bx plus, instead of c, it's b divided by 2 squared equals x plus b divided by 2 squared. Now, just for reference sake, this is called a binomial. It's two variables in a parentheses squared. So, our b value is 98. So, in order to find our c value, it is 98 divided by 2 squared. So 98 divided by 2 is 49, which is what you'd put in here. And once you square it, you get 2,401. And that's what goes right here. Okay, your homework is done. Here is your answers. Let me know if I can be more helpful. And I can also give you more practice problems if these were too easy for you. See you next time.